Gay, kasakit sa bisong. Kung nanonood man kayo, kasi marami-rami na din na nanghingi and nakakahiya paminsan kasi wala kang mabigay.
Come on, I gotta go to the toolbox. Han? Scooch?
Rosalinda, ay amor, amor.
Good morning! Good morning! So ngayon is the time of everything. Good morning everything! Kagigising na namin 3 hours ago. I think 3 hours ago. Yeah, nag-ano lang ako, nagtatrabaho sa video ko. And guys, nag-lipstick ako dahil konti lang naman yung parang pang daily lipstick. Kahit bangon pa, nakapajama pa, nakapantulog pa. Nag-lipstick si Akets kasi sobrang pale talaga yung look ko. Sobrang ano talaga. So, it's time for me to biak-biak the lubi. It's time to ano sa buhok natin. Ito siya. Kapag bibili kayo ng lubi, dapat ganinotin ninyo. Ganitohin, kitami. Hoy! Hoy, dong! Dodong! Dodong Tami! He doesn't pay attention. He doesn't pay attention. Hoy, pay attention! Bating! Shit! Turn around to the left, to the right, to the left. Tignan nyo, pangkarne. So, kapag bibili kayo guys ng coconut, you have to, oh, may tunog. Oh, may tubig pa. So, okay pa siya sa loob. Oh, nagkulo-kulo. Oh, nagluko-luko. We have to tell Tommy para malaman niya. Keep moving, keep moving, keep... Come here, this is what you do. If I tell you to buy me a coconut, this is what you should do to check if the coconut is right.
Push in the middle.
No, it's push in the middle. Well, you should push in the middle. You should do like this. Oh, there is water. It's still good.
Yeah, you gotta hear the milk in there.
Oh, you're American. You don't know that. What?
Oh, okay. We don't grow coconuts in Florida, I guess. My mistake.
Yeah, you don't live for Florida, honey. And you... Come here, I'll teach you. Behind me. And we do...
It's amazing you got this far.
Dito ka. This is how you do it, okay? This is how you do it. When you break this one, don't use the sharp... Don't use the sharp.
Just whack it.
You just have to do this, look. I don't need the juice.
Why not?
No, I don't need the juice.
Okay.
Why you break like this?
I don't know. You're from the forest. Tell me.
Guys, once you do it like this, because this is very old, okay? So you supposedly this will
Watch
break.
before you cut your finger off.
Han, I grew up in the forest.
Yeah, but in the forest, you were doing it with sticks.
Huh?
You didn't have sharp knives.
Seriously, honey. So you're trying that we are so poor that we can't buy knife.
How many times I've seen you cut yourself?
So you're trying to tell us that?
Huh? Every time you get a sharp object, you cut yourself. Every time you work with the stove, you burn yourself. What the heck?
There you go. This is... Come here, honey.
I'm not coming here to freaking coconut.
Guys, I'm so excited, guys. So it's been how many fucking years that I don't do a coconut thingy, okay? But you can tell it's getting bad because look, this area here, it's dark. It's dark. So now it's time to Kodkod time. Oh, there you go. Kodkod time. Yung kodkora na may upuan. So ito na lang yung gawin natin. Okay, kasakit sa bisong. Para ginaano yung bisong ko. Han. Look, Han.
Milk a cow.
Huh?
Like milk a cow.
Milking the cow. Han, you're not really very supportive.
People come over this for
Ha? Seriously. Sakit ng ano kuhan. Sakit ng hiwa ko dito. Yung hiwa ko masakit. Sana yung binili ko ano na lang. Yung may upuan. This is 10 bucks. If I add 20. Or if I add 30. Yun na. Mas madali pa itong pala kung bilhin ko yung ano. Yung may upuan. Kaloka talaga. So, gagawin natin is lagyan natin ng kaunting tubig. Yun. Very konting tubig lang yung nilagay natin. Ang gagawin natin is ganito. Pugtaan. Ito. Yung ganito na material, oh. Ilagay mo siya dyan. Ilagay natin lahat. Okay. Look.
If you're not sure you're on the best plan for you, just call the number on your screen now for your free, no obligation.
So ngayon guys, ilagay na natin sa dito yung coconut juice. Wala po akong lime. So lemon, luckily meron tayong lemon. Ito yung lemon ni Tami. Ilagay natin yung lemon. Dito na siya, oh. Ininit ko lang siya guys. Initin natin siya. Under na yung stove. Lagyan natin ng lemon. And pasalamat ako. Thank you Palmolive for sending me this. No, just joking. Binili ko po to guys. Okay, Palmolive. Maganda yung Palmolive. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Mabango. Okay, mabango siya. Hindi ka maging amoy lubi. Okay? Hindi marami ha. Tignan niyo guys ha. Yan. Yun lang. Kasi guys, alam nyo, mahal itong Palmolive guys. Hindi mo ito dapat usik-usik ka. Ang bango ng Palmolive. Ayun. Oh, ang bango. Hindi ko nabasain itong buhok ko. Ito lang yun. Konti lang siya dahil yung buhok ko, alam nyo naman, oh, konti lang. So, yun. Ano bang gagamitin ko? Wala akong ano eh. Hindi natin gamitin yung pang kitchen kasi sa buhok natin ito gamitin. Ito gamitin natin to. Alam nyo ba kung ano to? Right? Madumi. Ito yung container na lalagyan ng mga pagkain ng pusa. Yung halaman ba? Di ba may mga halamanan sila? Ilagay namin dito kasi lagyan ng tubig. Cellophane para i-wrap natin mamaya. Kamayin dahil
You can't answer it. Try to understand it.
MaryAnn, State of Development, good to see you.
masarap maglaba, oh. Masarap maglaba. Ganon. Pinaliti ba? Pinaliti. Lakat. Yun yung tawag na sanay sa paglalaba. Sanay sa paglalaba sa bukirin, sa sapa, sa dagat, wala sa dagat. Sa sapa, sa balon, kung saan-saan ka pa pwedeng maglaba kung may tubig. Kasi naalala ko noon sa Pilipinas, pag sobrang init, walang tubig, di ba? Walang tubig. Yun. Maghanap ka, yung sapa, yung river na nilalabhan mo palagi, magdadaan ka, maghanap ka ng tubig. Yun. And then makikita mo pa yung kalabaw andun sa ibabaw, nagtuna. Nagtuna yung kalabaw, Ginoo ko. Tai naman yung nasa likod. Nakakuha nating tubig dito, pero kailangan talaga, kahit paminsan talaga, naalala ko noon, yung tubig mabaho-baho na kasi ano, sobrang init, matagal yung init, ganun. So, mahirapan ng maglaba, pupunta na sa iba't ibang lugar sa bukirin namin. Pupunta na sa mga malalayo, mga 1 hour, mag walking this, maglakbay para lang makapaglaba. Ginoo ko. Pag uwi mo, yung nilabhan mo, tapos ka nang naglaba, umuwi ka, nagdukdo ka na ng ano, nauga na, na-dry na dahil sa ano, sa init. At saka galing ka naliligo, nauga ka na din. Nag-dry na yung ano mo, katawan, yung nilalabhan mo, nag-dry na. Dahil ang layo ng lakbay, dahil naghanap ng tubig. Naalala ko talaga noon. Ang layo ng ano kasi yung river, ang saya pag may ulan, baha, ligo, ganun. Okay, pabayaan lang natin yung ganun. Ibabrush ko lang kaunti sa likuran. Kasi ano siya. Eyebrow. Kahit andito lang tayo sa bahay, di ba? Anyway, may nag-message sa akin. You know, pasensya na ha, masasabi ko to, pasensya na. Kung nanood kayo sa video ko, andi nag-message kayo na ano, ay, hindi pala ito. Hindi pala ito sa eyebrow. Kaloka na, nagtataka ako, kakaiba man ito. Kasi, ito kasi guys, na may magme-message na, ano daw. So, yun, nanghingi ng tulong. You know, hindi ko naman inano ha, hindi ko kayo pangalanan ha. So, ano lang, gusto ko lang, hindi ako nag-reply. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko, kung magsasalita ako doon, kung ano talaga yung totoo, baka magalit. You know, baka magalit. Kasi may nagagalit na kasi, hindi pa ni-replyan ng iba. Nagagalit na sila, ganon. Kasi hindi mo ni-replyan. Ano, manghingi ba? Yung, I mean, hindi naman masama manghingi ha, hindi masama manghingi. Pero guys, alam nyo guys, naintindihan ko naman na mahirap talaga ngayon doon sa Pinas. At alam nyo ba na mayroon din akong family. And yung family ko doon, kahit sinasabihan ko na maghintay kung kailan makapadala. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng oras meron kaming yung pag may extra kita talaga magpadala, ganon. Magsasabi na pang daw sa mga bata. Naintindihan ko man, lalo na yung mga may mga anak and then walang trabaho, di ba? Or walang trabaho, ganon. And manahirapan, yung walang makain, ganon. Nakakaawa man guys, pero alam nyo, meron din akong iniisip kahit hindi man ako palaging nagpadala sa family ko, kasi sinasabihan ko din sila na maghintay kung kailan magka extra na pera. Yun. Naano ko ba, kasi yung iba kasi nagagalit sila guys, na hindi mapagbigyan, as in talaga. Mas lumala itong mga yung ganitong style sa Facebook Messenger, sa Facebook page ko. Kasi mas lumala siya nung nagka-COVID talaga. So, yun, naisip ko lang ba na, kung mayaman pa ako ba? Kung mayaman pa ako, pwede man ba? Kaso talaga. Pamili ko doon nga sinabihan ko na hindi magpadala all the time, kasi maghintay sila kung kailan ako magka-extra talaga. Alam nyo, nakikita nyo kami dito sa Amerika, yung iba, na na parang easy lang ba? Kasi mag-grocery, bibili, may mga ganan. Alam nyo guys, card yun guys, credit card, debit card, yung mga ginagamit. And then pagkatapos noon, bayaran na every next month. So, yun dito. I know meron namang ganyan sa Pinas, pero dito talaga guys, hindi lang pagkain yung mga bayad dito, ang mga lalaki guys, mga sasakyan. Ganito na kasi dito sa Amerika guys. Hindi na pwedeng magsabi na ay mag-jeepney na lang ako, ganun. Kung nanonood man kayo, kasi marami-rami na din na nanghingi and nakakahiya paminsan kasi wala kang mabigay. So, pasensya na kung andin yung mga nagagalit na nag-message, nagagalit na sinisend ko lang at hindi ko nire-reply. Guys, pasensya, hindi ko talaga, iwan ko, hindi ako nag-reply kasi mahiya ako magsabing wala akong maibigay. Hindi ko alam mo anong sasabihin ko. So, magbasa ako ng comment and then masin lang yung iba mag-reply ako. Pero yun, wala akong maibigay na na tulong. Kasi kami din dito dapat tulungan namin sarili namin, di ba? Magtrabaho na lang tayo sa sa front porch para matapos itong mga ginagawa. And
You have it in the trunk too. You know, I've bought 3 of them just
in the trunk? Oh, yeah. But there is something here that I don't use. I know it's here somewhere.
And I need a big frying pan, you know, like a big
Frying
pan
pan.
for turkey.
Okay. Why you need the frying pan? Oh, for the
Casting
thing.
oil.
And then why you need that cloth? Because if you have a pan, you... Oh, you don't? Okay, I'll get it. And you need a pan? Pan, it's...
Yeah, I need a pan.
Can you find me a rough sander? I'm gonna go to the front porch.
No, the pan is right here.
Oh, God. Ito ang asawa ko. Pag may gagawin siya, no? Ako yung matutulak kung... Hinahanap ni Mr. Itatry ko daw itong ibaba. Sa tingin niya, he thought I cannot carry heavy thing. So he said, try it if you can bring it down. So let's try it myself. Seriously, Tommy. Serious freaking you. So this is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing, Tommy. Look at that. Guys, I can carry you and throw you to my car. he bring the DVD, CDs and DVDs that I just...
You heard yourself to prove a point.
And I told him, don't bring it here because I will donate it.
You hurt yourself to prove a point. This
It's
one's
not-
lighter.
No, that one is so fucking... That one is perfect.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I carried down the stairs and up into the car and it's not
Promise
perfect.
from second floor. This is the camera. This is the heavier than that.
This was an empty box.
I'm the one who's writing that.
I know that, but the box was empty, so obviously somebody emptied it.
Guys,
You're gonna hurt yourself.
he
You're just like stupid.
he's just looking
You're
at
just
me.
stupid. Because you're just stupid. Because I was gonna get like,
You just...
Because you're just being stupid.
No, you are stupid.
Huh? Because when you hurt yourself, then what?
No, I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Yeah,
It's okay.
I carried it out of the house, down the stairs, put it up into the car. So yeah, I know how heavy it is.
Okay, I'm a farmer, remember?
Yeah. Did you carry the horses?
I carry long tree. Okay, the tree. The tree that we had placata. I carry the placata. Placata tree.
Arrogance. Arrogance.
Yes, and I'm strong.
Arrogance.
You
Arrogant. Watch my clothes. I should have 2 sets in that car, but I don't.
Okay, excuse.
Come on,
Kiss.
I gotta go to the toolbox. Huh? Scooch?
You know the way he kissed me, guys. You know the way he kissed me? He doesn't even kiss, he just blew an ear. So, sabi pa ni Tommy, tinanggal na daw niya yung so hintayin gusto ata niya makita ninyo. Just, I wanna kiss this love I have. He's just a kissable guy. Smoothy. Smoothy. So let me see what you got under there. Hello, be careful with my car. Don't put oil in it. Oh my god, it's like a tent, huh?
It's like a what?
Tent.
Tent. There's a computer up there.
Oh, there is a computer there? What's in there? Where's the computer there? Let me see.
It's like a computer. Look at it.
There's something machine in there?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, there's another screen there?
Yeah, that is the screen.
So where is it you think you need to replace?
This thing has to get replaced.
I mean, you got new one, right?
Yeah.
Itong asawa ko talaga, mahilig talaga magkuti-kuti sa mga sasakyan. Ayaw niyang ipaano doon sa mga tao. Ang mahal din kasi guys, kapag if you send this to the guy who can do this, it's expensive, right, hon?
Well, it's crazy expensive to fix the transmission. I don't know if it's changing this. I don't know, but I've never brought a car into a transmission shop where they didn't have to change the whole transmission and charge you for it.
Yeah,
So, who knows?
the Astami 1000.
1,000, 3,000.
Oh, is it 3,000?
Yeah.
And he decided to do that, and he really did it. And after he did it, this car make a noise. Gintay lang ako dito kay Tommy, guys. Delikado pa naman itong lugar dito. Delikado siya dahil basta delikado tong lugar. Pero hintay lang tayo kay Tommy. Nandun siya, nasa harapan ko yung tindahan. Auto parts. Broadway discount, auto parts. So hopefully meron silang yung hinahanap ni Tommy. Ang dami. What did you do? What the heck?
I want to check it against this one. It looked right. I opened it. It looked right.
How much is the total of that?
143.
Be careful.
That's right.
No, it's not. You cannot just do it. It's
Okay.
right. Hold on. Let me feel the bumps. Bumps. Another bumps. Another thing. Another bumps here. And there's a hole here. And there's a hole. Can you turn it over? I want to feel, hon. Big shit here. Bump here. Screws. And it's kind of wavy here. Okay, that's good. How much is this?
It came out to 143.61.
This just alone?
No, I got the fluid.
How much is the fluid?
I don't know. They don't let you go around the store now. They just keep you at the desk and you tell them what you want need to get. Matter of fact, you see the Asian girl that walked in there?
Yeah.
She brought the part, so they didn't have it. They got it here since we called. I don't know where they got it from.
What do you mean by she brought the part? Oh, she just did
She
it.
just brought it in.
Oh, really?
That you didn't see her carry that box in?
Oh,
there?
yeah, I see them walking.
That
like
was the box.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was like, wow, that's pretty fucking fast service. I don't know where she went and got it from. So, it's... great. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, take it. Hey, remember me, because all right, Tom, give me about a half hour and be ready.
How did he know?
I guess I'm the only one who orders trio fried eggs all the time.
So, guys, his lazy wife is not cooking. Yay! And
I'll do bread.
bread. Oh, the bread is still hot. Amazing. Good girl. You're a good girl. This is what Tommy ordered, guys. Look, kakain lang kami, guys, ha? Kain lang kami. Hindi ko tinapos yung sa front kasi madilim na. Look. Ah, yan. Hello, guys. Tapos na kami kumain kanina lang. Hindi yung asawa ko. Andito. So, did you put something in there already? Huh? Yeah. So, I think the light over here is not enough. It's not that bright. Hello. Hello. The heck is that?
Magnets.
Oh, it's magnet?
Yeah. Already transmission.
Oh, that's nice. Anyway, guys, I have a problem, guys. I think today is 2 days already. 3 days. The acid here is...
No, you can just take them. They're just gummies. They're right on the counter.
Okay. It's the acid over here, and then I keep burping, and my stomach is hard, guys, as in hard, like the digestion, and then hindi ako makapupo. What's wrong, Mama? What's wrong? What's wrong? I love you. Yes. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching sa mga videos natin. And yun, kailangan kong mag-pick ng another thumb. Alin yung may sinabi si Tami eh. Ay, biotic. Let me read this one. Ito yung iniinom niya palagi, oh. Sa gummy bear. I want the orange one. I like it. Orange. I need this. And I like it. It's like candy. A line. Dual biotic. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yun. Bye muna, guys. 7 o'clock. Bye.